Hello there, subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. Finally, guys, I got time to post a video here. I'm currently working slowly here on YouTube. So, by the way, guys, our video today is cooking string beans with sardines and eggs. So, this will be simple but yummy dish. So, first thing is we gonna chop the onion and garlic and also the string beans. And then we have ground pepper, salt, and of course our oyster sauce for the flavor. So first thing first is we're gonna sort our string beans, guys. So when it comes to sorting, I'm very serious to it. So we don't want any insects in our food, right? So I'll make it seriously. So it's time to chop, guys. So we're gonna chop our string beans. Of course, we need a chopping board and our knife. So here we go, guys. Chop, chop. So first, we're gonna sort it out, guys. So we don't want rotten veggies or worms in our food. So that's why take it seriously. Yes, guys, I'm so happy finally for almost 2 years. I'm having my everyday vacation now because I voluntarily quit my job in the city. So I prepare to stay in the province. I choose to live simply and contented here. So it's very quiet here and oh my god, I sleep so good here and it's very nice view, nice wind, fresh air every morning. Unlike in the city, guys, when you live there, it's very polluted and very stressful and very traffic like that. So you know what I mean. So uh, since I told you that I live here in the province, so it means we're gonna have a lot of time. I'm gonna post more videos here and currently, as you notice, I post more videos on my YouTube shorts. So I'm currently working slowly because I have other stuff to do in here in the house, but I manage my time. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna have time for you guys here, especially to those who are very loyal to my YouTube channel. I know I've been monitoring my YouTube subscribers, but some are left in here. It's okay, I understand because it's been 2 years that I never posted, but sometimes I posted, but now it's like 1 year ago that I post that video, so it's very long time. I know you got bored or you think that I will be no longer back here in YouTube, but now thankfully we have some time and God granted our wish. So let's focus here in YouTube to my beloved subscribers. Thank you so much guys for your support. I hope this video you will like it and I hope you're gonna subscribe to those who haven't subscribed to my channel and leave a like, comment, and share this video, guys, for my algorithm, guys. Thank you. So here we go, guys. I love garlic so much. Every dish I prepare garlic is okay if it's so many garlic. I don't care. Sometimes I put the garlic that's already cooked, like garlic grated like that. I like that in my dish. But when it comes to soup, guys, I prepare like powder like that. So when it comes to garlic, I did not really complain about it in my food because I love it and I know what's the benefits of garlic. Garlic has antioxidants and antimicrobial, guys. That's why I like it in my food. So here we go. We have some onion here, white onion. I love also onion, guys, but I love so much the garlic. So I'm a garlicky person. When I was working, guys, I cannot post videos because When I go home, I'm already tired, and sometimes I do my small business. I have running errands in the city, and I have household to do. That's why from time to time I still have videos that I cannot finish editing it. So now I have time for you guys. So don't worry guys, I'll be posting more videos here. Don't worry, I'm not leaving you guys. Here's the exciting part guys. We're gonna taste it. So I hope it's yummy guys. Oh, it is yummy. Or am I hungry? Looks like it. So anyways guys, this dish is simple but it's very savory and flavorful, and it's yummy. So this is the first time I cook dish like this, because no, usually with sardines I'm gonna put eggs, but this time I add the string beans so we can have fiber in our food. So fiber is very important also guys. If I haven't no veggies in my food, I usually go with cucumber as a side dish because I love vegetables. Vegetable here in the city, guys, is kind of expensive, but I know in the province it's less because mostly people there plant their own vegetables in the backyard or in the farm. That's how they used to live, or that's how they make a living.